Hey friends, welcome to California Birds, and today I got a chance to visit Oma's family farm with my school kids. It is situated in Elmont Valley for over 60 years. The owner, Garrett and Gary Van Omering, both grew up on dairy farms in Netherlands. In late 1950s, they immigrated to America with a dream to start a dairy of their own. And their dream has come true in 1960 when they built their milking portion, and in 1980s they asked schools for the tour, and schools from all over San Diego started coming for their annual field trips. Now it's their all family members who are involved in helping the farm activities, and let's see this lady what she's telling about the farm.
He brings in some organic matter, different soil, maybe composted cow manure each season, and he regenerates the soil. By doing that, he's not waking up the weed seeds and creating more of a weed issue, and he's also not killing any of the good microbes that are in the soil. The microbes are very important for growing good fruits and vegetables. The holistic part of his farming, like I said, means he does not use any chemicals or pesticides. Instead, he uses a variety of flowers to attract good bugs and herbs 2 months to go towards the growth of the calf inside her. Once the mama cow gives birth, her body starts producing milk again. The first milk that her body makes is called colostrum. Colostrum is very important for the health and growth of her calf. So we want to make sure that her baby gets enough colostrum. We walk the mama cow to the corner. If you look at those different little gates right here, the V-shaped ones, those are called stanchions. The cows can put their heads through the stanchion. In front of them on the ground is their food in the manger. The one on the end works really well, so we can bring the portable milk machine over. We milk the colostrum from the mama cow, and we pour it in a baby bottle, just like this one. You can see that it's a nice big bottle, and we make sure that every calf gets at least one bottle of colostrum shortly after they're born. If they want more, we gladly give them more. Once they've had that colostrum, we know that we've given them all they need for a good, healthy start, because the colostrum has vitamins and something called antibodies. Antibodies help the calf's immune system, and that's what helps the calf all through their life fight germs and infection. A mama cow will have either a boy calf, boys are called bulls, or she'll have a girl calf. Girl calves are called heifers. They're called that until they are 2 years old. When a heifer is 2, she is old enough to have her own first baby. That's when we call her a cow, and that's the first time in her life that she will produce milk. And she's demonstrating for us so nicely how the stanchions work and how to eat the food out of the manger. Good job, Callie. All right, you can see this calf is already walking.
So this was all about the cows, how they take care of the mommy cow and the babies, and they showed us the milking process, which was really exciting for kids. Yeah. Now let's see what's inside the farm. You can have fun at the play structure or go around to see some animals. So here you go, you can have fun here. This is the time when you can go around and see. Look at this tortoise. It was huge. And when we walk around, we'll see some chickens, goats, and there are some fun activities there. Let's go and explore. That was the corn pit over there. In the petting area where you can pet some goats. What do you think? It's so good to feed petting animals. Kids really love to do that. Look at this. They put in some balloons over there to have that experience taking or milking cows. The kids enjoy slides, and there was it was really big slide. See how kids are enjoying the bouncing bed, and most exciting was the hay maze. Look at it, it was so big. It was exciting and really good. We enjoyed it. Oh, we lost our way. Come back, come back. Yeah, at last we have come out. It was really scary. This was the most favorite, sliding on a cotton seeds. The saucers were available and you can enjoy. Kids were like crazy for this slide. And this was all about the farm, and I would say it was total fun and educational tour for everyone, and it's time to go back to school. So thank you so much guys for watching. Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.